So the doors fell off. I guess let's make this thing into a two-wheel dolly. Our plan is to go right around the top of the windshield of the Sawzall. Oh, there's a tech screw there. Ouch, that hurt a bit. And then just cut right through the floor, cut all the way across, go right through brake lines, right through fuel lines, just cut through everything with the Sawzall. It feels like the right thing to do. It really does. So, you guys ready to start Sawzalling? I got power. All I'm missing now is a Sawzall. So, may not have had a game plan going into this, and maybe I should have. I think the front of the car is heavier than the back of the car, because now the nose just wants to sit on the ground. They're broken apart. The other thing I should have done before cutting through the brake lines and gas lines was maybe drain all the gas out of it, because now there's gas everywhere. It's going pretty interesting, actually. You know, I've never done this before, but it's all a learning experience. I was thinking I was going to try to drive this thing, but honestly, I think I'm going to have a harder time trying to keep it on the ground. Let's see what else I can do here. Well, I got all the gasoline out of the tank. There was about 35 liters. A lot of it went all over the floor. We used the hoist to get the back end of it up. We threw a tank here, And, oh, the pump's already going. Never mind, the pump's already going. Let's see if this thing will start up now. I've already got the door open because I have pretty high expectations. I don't think there's any brakes. Oh, how am I gonna, oh, this is weird to get in. Oh, it feels so cool when you're inside of it though. Let's see if she starts up. Power. Oh, baby. Oh, I forgot, you need 2 hands, or can I do it? No. Oh, she's driving. Oh God, there's no brakes. She's only getting faster. Oh God. She's going sideways. Ah! Didn't really plan this through now, did I? Oh God. I hit a tree. I hit a tree. I came out of my door and I hit a tree. Well, I hit a stump. Oh, I think she's running out of fuel. Uh-oh. Don't die on me now. Come back to life, Mr. Tank. Maybe if I actually put power to it? No. Don't do this to me. It's cold out. Oh. Oh, that's why my positive and my negative. Holy crap, everything came off. Well, let's see if we can do this. Okay, let's put this negative on. There, negative's on, positive. No, she wants to come back off. I need a hammer or something. There. Fuel tank. Let's see if I can get this thing to run again. Put her in neutral. No, she's in park. She's running. Let's see if I can get this thing in the shop now. I think I found a critical design flaw in my plan, and that is that I can't steer it. It kind of just goes wherever it wants to go, so what am I going to do to steer this thing? Maybe put a tire on the back? I don't know, but it is funny how they ended up. I can almost weld them right back together now. Alright, thanks for watching today's video, guys. We'll see you back here tomorrow.